Again to the Auto Central. Today's video will show you how it is very easy to adjust the brightness of the flashlight or torch. First of all, you would pull down the notification bar, and after pulling down the notification bar, where you see those icons, you tap right there and pull it down again, and then you'll see the flashlight. What you will do is to tap on the flashlight, which will turn it on, and in order to adjust the brightness, you will tap on the word flashlight itself, and it will take you to a different screen where you see the brightness level, where you can adjust to whichever brightness you would like. At the moment, we are doing this experiment on a Samsung A50, and what we'll do, we'll continuously do the experiment and post the different types of phone in which this can work with. So thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.